So here you see our public, private, and charter school dashboard, again, available at the nationsreportcard.gov. When doing the comparisons, you can look at several different student groups. Here you see we have data by race, ethnicity, gender, eligibility for the National School Lunch Program. And you also see all of the subjects below. Now you won't see long-term trend data in here. I know that's the data that Bill was just sharing, but you do see all of our other main NAEP assessments. And I am going to focus on 2019 data. So when looking at average scores and NAEP achievement levels, today we're going to focus on the percent out or above NAEP proficient, but you see the other options there with not only our scale scores, but also NAEP advanced and the NAEP basic level. So just to give you a quick glimpse of the type of graphics and data you can get, I'm going to first select mathematics. And what you'll see is the percent out or above proficient, since that was the metric that I chose, by the different school types. And we have public, we have charter school, we have private, and then we also have private school Catholic students, which is the data we've been focusing on. So here you see the results. You have dark blue is our public school students, kind of that lighter shade of blue are our charter school students. And then you see this light blue bar is our private Catholic school students. This dash again represents the fact that we don't have reliable estimates for all private schools due to low participation. But again, due to the high participation of Catholic school students, we are able to report those data. And so for grade 4, you see that 40% of students in public schools were at or above proficient. For charter schools, that's 37%. And then for Catholic schools, 48% of Catholic school students scored at or above proficient in our NAEP mathematics assessment in grade 4. For grade 8, you see a similar relationship with public school students, 33% at or above proficient, 29% at or above proficient for charter school. And then for our private Catholic school students, 44% at or above proficient. Again, same pattern for grade 4 and 8.